Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As the avalanche of new orders start getting delivered,
Just how deep in the red am I? Out of my mind? Oh no! How? How did I spend that much money?
I figured I'd go through some of the new stuff that I actually ordered. Before I forget, please make sure to like this video below, subscribe below, it's free. It really helps the video with the YouTube algorithm, the channel with the YouTube algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, please make sure to comment below. Let me know what you think about this video, whether you agree with my opinions, disagree with my opinions. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. The first new item that I pre-ordered that arrived just last week is the Lehigh Gorge Scenic Railway set. Here. I ordered this set because back in 2022, I took the actual Lehigh Gorge train with some friends, and I wanted the new Lionel set version of it. Interestingly enough, the one that I took didn't actually have the locomotive or the cars, really, that are featured in the set, but it did have the caboose. So let's take a look at the set. One of the things you can see right off the bat is that Lionel absolutely nailed the paint scheme for this engine. I was a little nervous that and the set, they absolutely nailed the paint scheme. I was nervous considering some of the previous engines that I got, most notably the Dreyfus, where the colors were slightly off. So I was a little concerned that the colors might be off here too, but Lionel got it spot on.
It's a Festivus miracle!
Alright, so the set comes with the ST50 engine, which you can see here. 3 passenger cars, I have one of them here. And then the caboose. When it comes to the engine, I don't really have any bad things to say about it. It's a beautiful paint scheme. They got all the decals and all the colors. In my opinion, they got them spot on. When it comes to the passenger car, this looks like a somewhat new tooling for the heavyweights. They're all detailed inside, which are really nice, but something that has, I think, been a recent Lionel thing is they seem to always want to add a toilet somewhere. I know in a previous run of these, they gave the toilet a rail fan window, and this one just has a regular window. Don't really get it, but all the interior detailing, though, is really nice. And of course, the colors are great, and the colors match, which is great. And then the caboose is the last thing here. That comes with the set. So you get 3 passenger cars. This is one of them, and then you get the caboose. The colors again on the caboose are perfect, and they're very pretty. The only bad thing I have to say about the caboose is it is really light. It sort of feels like a post-war style caboose or an MPC caboose. It doesn't necessarily have the weight that you would get from a modern caboose. It does have added details like, let's see, you know, like the chain over there and the chain on the back, but I just wish if this could be a little heavier. That would be nice. Before I show the train running on the Central Operating Lines Club layout with the additional 2 passenger cars, let's just run through the horn options that you get with this engine. This is the horn that comes with it, number 3. And then this is horn number 1. And number 2. And number 4. And number 5. Which that's a little bit of a weird one, but they put it on here. And then the bells. This is the bell that comes with it. And then number 1. And number 2. And number 4. And number 5. So tell me in the comments below which one you like the best.